Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 8:30 a.m. and I'm still at home. Actually, it's my day off from work, so I get to do whatever I want today. Before I go further or begin today's vlog or say any other thing, I just want to thank you all so much for 600 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Like, it means so much to me. Like, being a creator, it's something not easy. And like, what's the point of your content if there's nobody to watch it or to subscribe or to support you? Like, I just want you guys to know that I love you so much and I appreciate you all so very much. If you're a first timer and if this is your first time seeing my face or come in contact with any of my videos at all, I'm Penny and I am a pastry chef and a content creator. That's basically who I am and what I do. So on my channel you're going to find videos on relationships, on mental health, on general life issues. Like, I just talk about relationships and mental health because I feel like there are gaps that can be filled, there are issues that can be addressed, there are issues I could help you point out based on the experiences I've had and experiences I've had close contacts with. And then I've struggled with mental health in the past, so I feel like it's something you should pay attention to, it's something you can address, it's something you can recover from, it's something that you can actually get better from. So that's why I talk about mental health. Then any life issue I've come across, anything I've experienced and then I've been able to overcome, I put it out here. And then I share my lifestyle vlogs time to time because I am from nowhere and I'm headed somewhere. So I hope my journey is going to inspire you to go wherever you want, to have the courage to do whatever you want. So that's what you should or you could expect to see on my channel. I'm all about the positives. I'm all about bringing the positivity, the motivation and the inspiration. So you're welcome to be part of the family, to be a bona fide part of my family. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it so that other people could get to see it. Like, I would love to have you around for all my videos, and in fact I would love to have more of you, more of your friends, more of your family, and more and more and more and more. All right, so let's get to today's vlog already. So what will I be doing today? I would be doing my laundry, cleaning my room, trying to prepare something to eat. I would be making egusi soup. It's a Nigerian soup. I'll link the recipe so you can learn to make it on your own. Even if you're not Nigerian, you can try it. You might just like it, you might just fall in love with it, who knows. Then what else will I be doing? Okay, my previous videos I've been saying filming is a little bit difficult, especially when it's outdoor for me because I don't have my tripod. I forgot my tripod at my sister's house since last year September, the last time I visited her, but she finally sent it, so I'll be getting it today. I'll be going to pick it up today. Yeah, I'm so excited about that. It feels good to really have my tripod back because, like I said, I basically just think of how I can improve as a pastry chef, how I can get things together to run my own business, and how I can create content. So anything that makes any of these things easier for me is actually a plus and actually a reason for me to be happy. So I'm so excited I get to have my tripod back today. And then maybe later on I might decide to take a stroll out, like to just see the environment, because it's been just home work, shop, buy something, like nothing else. That has been my routine. So let's get to it.
You feel like, you feel like, you feel like, you feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. No compromising, make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try, but it feels one-sided. Just make up your mind, lay it all on the line. So deep in it, I can see the bottom. So deep in it, I can see the bottom. Pulling your thorns out my clothes. don't. Knowing damn well, don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing for him. Never forget who you are. You butterfly, you're a butterfly. Butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly, butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can lose, the world works for you. Now that you're
So I'm done phase one, which is my chores. Since I'm done, the next thing I'm supposed to be doing is preparing my soup, but I'm hungry, so I'll be taking a pause so I can eat. I'll be having French toast for breakfast. My friend bought it for me yesterday. This is it from 12-inch baguette. That's where I currently work actually. I was supposed to have it for dinner yesterday, but I had other dinner plans, so I surprisingly had something else for dinner, so I carried it over for breakfast. So right now I'll just dig into this before I proceed. It's true, I'm supposed to take this with something like tea or a soft drink, but I'll be taking it down with just plain water because my sugar consumption lately is alarming even for me. So I've decided to try a diet detox because I think it's going to be healthy for my body and for my skin. I tried dieting in 2021 and it actually helped my skin, but last year I had the worst experience with my skin, different sorts of breakouts. So I feel it's about that time. So I'll be finishing up this, then I'll read my diet plan because yesterday I worked out something and I'll be starting it soon. So in preparation or anticipation for that, no extra sugar. The sugar in this is enough for this morning. I'm done having breakfast already, so this is a detox plan I came up with. Let me just share it in case anybody's planning to go on a diet detox. Sometimes there are toxins that gather around our liver due to the kind of food we consume. So going on a detox diet actually helps to cleanse us from those toxins, and then it actually helps to refresh our skin. So they said 5 days before you start this detox plan, you're supposed to eliminate alcohol, coffee, cigarettes, refined sugar, saturated fats, and all processed foods at all. Like, seriously, this is going to be difficult. Like, you need a lot of discipline. Well, I don't do alcohol, so that's okay. I don't do cigarettes, but I love coffee. And then, like I said, I need to cut down my sugar intake because lately it's overwhelming even for me. And then processed foods and saturated fats. So I would start avoiding processed foods. Not today actually, to be frank, because I have few more like I would love to finish consuming before I start. I'll be starting my detox properly upper week, next upper week. So my next week, say Monday, I'll stop consuming processed foods. So it says consume more fiber, fruits and vegetables. Include chia seeds in a glass of water to eliminate toxins in your body. Drink a lot of water, at least 8 glasses a day. I think I'm good on the water therapy because that's been helping me too with my kidneys. I have a history with kidney stones and kidney infections, but since I stayed faithful to my water therapy, I've been good generally, so I can vouch for that. Then avoid stress to prevent your body from releasing stress hormones. Like, avoid physical stress, avoid emotional and mental stress as well. Then keep track of your emotions. Make sure you are sufficiently motivated before you begin your detoxification diet. So I've started my soup making process. My meat's on the fire, as you can see, and I'm trying to prepare the other ingredients together so I can make my soup. Yeah, so I'm still in the kitchen preparing my soup. And this is how it's going. I'm finally done making my egusi soup. That's what I call a typical low budget egusi soup. So just in case you want the full recipe on how to prepare that low budget egusi soup yourself, I'll link it in the description of this video. I'm about to head out now to go get my tripod, and from there maybe branch one or two places or just try to stroll, because I thought the activities I had planned out for today will occupy me all day, but this is just 12 p.m. and then I'm done with everything. So I'm taking a walk to meet up with my sister so I can collect the tripod, and it's been a long walk, as in never knew I could walk this far actually. So this is my sunny face on the road walking towards my sister. So we made a quick stop to this place. I can't really remember the name of the place anyways, and I don't really know my way around Abuja town yet because I'm a guest, and I was complaining bitterly about these chicken wings because it looks so scanty, and then it was about 2.8, so I mean it was quite expensive for the look, for the packaging, and for the all. So that was me lamenting, but I still ate it anyways, so I don't have much of a choice. Hey guys, so I'm back. I collected it. I went on a stroll, on a little self-discovery or place discovery, and this is my tripod is back. So now I can have more stable outdoor recordings and I can explore places, because there are some contents I've been wanting to create of exploring places, but without this it was going to be kind of difficult, because you can see now this is the highest length my hand can go. Let me quickly connect it to the tripod and stretch around and show you how more convenient filming with the tripod is for me. So that was using my hand. This is using the tripod, so I can adjust it like this. Sorry for the, I don't know. Yeah, so I can adjust it like this. I can extend the tripod, so you see I can hold it this high and you can see me properly, and I can turn around 360. You can see my room, you can see everywhere. So even if I were to go on a house tour, this would be more better. So that's why I always complain I miss my tripod, because I can conveniently film from any position, and I think that's super cool. Sorry, I've been looking at myself all along instead of the camera, so I am done with all the important things I had to do today. So now I think I'll just look for something to eat. I made soup earlier, so I'll just make swallow to go with it, and then I'll just relax, maybe see a movie, but majorly just relax. So I don't have any other thing to do today, so I guess this is going to be the official goodbye or official end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for sticking around till the end. Like, it's always amazing to have you guys share in my vlogs, in my activities, watch my videos, listen to me talk about relationships, watch my food recipes, talk about mental health and life issues. I mean, I am really grateful to you guys. Like, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for loving me. I love you guys right back, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video so that other people can get to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You're welcome to the family. You could also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new content. So yeah, I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.